This year, we had a really cozy Thanksgiving, just the four of us. You know, neither hubby nor I grew up celebrating American Thanksgiving, so we're kind of making it up as we go, creating our own little family tradition. We kick things off with butternut squash soup, a dish I make almost every year for Thanksgiving. After microwaving the squash for a few minutes, it's much easier to peel and cut. Because I used red onions and purple carrots, the soup turned out more brownish than the usual pretty yellow. But the flavor was the best yet. I think the homemade veggie broth really made all the difference. I made dinner rolls to use up some of the sourdough discard I've been collecting. And to my surprise, my family actually preferred them over cornbread. Looks like these rolls are here to stay as our new staple. Thanksgiving morning started with cooking the turkey, which had been marinating for a couple of days. I'm also roasting some Brussels sprouts. They've quickly become one of our favorite veggies since we went Brussels sprouts picking this spring. For our Thanksgiving spread, we had turkey, dinner rolls, butternut squash soup, gravy, and roasted veggies. Pretty much everything got a thumbs up to stay on the menu for next year. Later in the day, I made an apple pie to wrap things up. I had planned to make it earlier, but didn't quite get to it. We were too excited to wait for it to cool, so we just dug right in. Yay!
I got it. Say cheese.
Cheese.
It fell apart a little, but honestly, no one minded. Everyone was happy.